Me, manners. Don't forget.
Mimi and Mommy went to the big, bustling grocery store. Mimi loved the bright lights and all the colorful foods. "Look, Mommy, juicy oranges," she shouted, full of excitement. Mimi got so excited, she started running fast down the aisle, weaving between carts. Zoom! She almost bumped into a nice old man. He looked a little surprised and stumbled. Mimi just kept running, not noticing his worried face. Then, Mimi saw a girl reaching for a yummy cookie box. Mimi rushed forward and grabbed it first, even though the girl's hand was almost there. The girl's eyes got watery and her bottom lip trembled. Mimi felt a tiny squeeze in her heart. Mommy gently held Mimi's hand. "Mimi, everyone shares the store. When we run or grab, it can make others feel sad or scared. We need to be kind and careful with our friends here, even if we don't know them." Mimi looked at the little girl, and her heart felt a little soft. Mimi walked back to the girl. "Sorry," she whispered, offering the cookie box with a smile. Then, Mimi walked slowly beside Mommy, said "excuse me" when passing, and smiled at people. Shopping felt much happier when everyone was respected.